don't know how am I gonna start this video, so because I'm actually really pissed right now, and it's the same thing, like my old video when I posted my life as a McDonald's employee. I was a crew member and doing all those same tasks, cleaning, listening to people, argument, and like being thrown around here and there. Basically like being a slave. So nothing else like changed a lot. Okay, so after that I posted another video, uh, like from crew member to crew trainer, like how I became like went up a level. So now this video is like you can see like I'm a manager, right? I'm a manager now. Like a lot of people for that. I mean, it is an accomplishment for a lot of people. But the problem is not a lot of things have changed. Now my pay rate, okay, and according like my responsibilities have increased, okay, 10 times more, and I'm doing work like 10 times more than I was doing when I was a crew member, okay? Now I have responsibility of the whole store. I have to make sure everyone, like, I have to keep everyone in check. I have to do a lot of work that I was not doing before. Like, doing work is fine, okay? It's fine. I know you have to work, you have responsibility. It's okay. I'm not shying away or running away from work. The problem is the people, okay? The way they treat you. And I'm literally so tired, like I came in at 7 a.m., okay? And my general manager, my GM, okay, she's like really bossy, same thing, like ordering around, her ego and bossy attitude. And I know how she is, so I deal her the same way, like I'm not saying anything to her. But at the same time, I came in and then she told me then to hop on the grill, okay? There was a guy on the grill and he was cooking like sausages and eggs and all that. She said we don't have any food in the cabinet, and she knows that I'm the fastest one in the store, and she knows like I know the breakfast because it's a breakfast time, and she knows like I'm really good at everything in breakfast, cooking and doing everything. She said, okay, hop on the grill and help him. Now, with that ego and bossy attitude, she ordered me. I did not say anything. I said, "Okay." I went to like to the grill and started helping that guy. And then she started rolling burritos back there somewhere, and then she asked me, uh, "Put these burritos on your tray, okay?" I said, "Okay, I'm coming." So I was helping him. I was like making eggs, round eggs. So my hands were busy, and she said two, three times. I said, "Okay, I heard you. I'm coming." Like I can't leave something I'm doing. So So I said, okay, I heard you. Then I stopped doing that. I went grab a tray and I stack all the burritos in that tray, and then I put it away. And then I went on helping the guy again. And then that guy, like, I first of all, I don't understand these people, like grown adults, grown ass people acting like kids, worse than kids. Like they're acting worse than kids, throwing tantrum every day, showing their ego. Like I don't understand what's wrong with the people in this country. Like how are they being raised up that people older than me, like 10 years older than me, 20 years older than me, acting like kids, throwing tantrum over here and there. Their ego is all over the place, and I'm the youngest one of the youngest managers they have, and like I'm so calm and collected. I'm trying my best not to show my ego, being positive, encouraging everyone. But like that's the problem. They want to walk over me because I'm so nice with everyone. I've been polite with everyone for since the day I've started working. I've been nice and saying everyone, hey, it's okay, you got this and that, trying my best not to hurt anyone's feelings. But the opposite is happening with me. Nobody cares what I feel. They all just want to walk over me, do whatever they want, say whatever they want to me, you know. And then uh, coming back to the story, so I was helping him, and then she said like hop on the table, like there's table when you start wrapping up the sandwiches, making all the egg muffins and sausage egg muffin and all those sandwiches. Then she knows I'm the only one that she have who's the fastest on the table as well. So of course she's gonna ask me. I said okay, I'm coming. So I was in the middle of the task that she appointed me to do, okay, and I'm doing it, and I told her okay, I'm coming. Okay, so I'm currently doing something. I cannot stop doing it. So I tried my best, fastest. I'd finished that thing, and I was trying to walk away. And then the guy who I was helping, he was like literally like probably 6, 7 years older than me. Okay, he started saying, "You can't leave me like this and all that. You gotta help me." I said, "I already like help all like I made all half of the products for you. I made all the folded eggs. I'm almost done." Okay, by the time you were cooking one thing, I'm done. Okay, so he started throwing tantrums. So I was trying to calm him down, telling like if I can, she asked me to jump on that side. So he said no, no. I said unless you can go tell her that you need my help. If she says yes, then I'll stay. But she's not gonna say that. She want me on the other side of on the table. She want me to start wrapping sandwiches, and do all that stuff. And by the time I was telling him, then she starts saying, "How many times do I have to tell you, Bazan? Okay, you guys be so disrespectful." That thing pissed me off so bad. Like I'm being disrespectful to you. Like I said, I'm not the one being disrespectful. You're the one pissing me off. Like I'm doing whatever you want. Okay, I literally said the same thing. I said you're throwing me here and there. I'm not saying anything. I'm fixing other people's mistake. Okay, I was not supposed to help him on the grill. Okay, but I have to do that stuff. Then now you want me to be on the other side of the table. Okay, you're short on people. That's also not my fault. Okay, I'm still trying to cover that up. But at the same time, I'm being disrespectful. And one day ago, the same thing. So I was supposed to be on 31 July. I was supposed to be having my classes for manager classes. You have to go to the classes. So it's from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, so I know that I have to wake up at 9 a.m. So I was sleeping, okay, because usually I go to work at 7 a.m. So I'm sleeping. And around 8 o'clock, she starts calling me, texting me where you at and all that. So what happened? Because I know I have to go to some other place because the classes are not at the restaurant. I'm right now outside of my restaurant because she told me to go home. Okay, I'm going to come back to the story why she said that. So same thing yesterday happened. I was sleeping, and then she said, "I don't care. You have to be here. Okay, I did not tell you to go to class and all that." I said, "You didn't even tell me that there was no classes." Okay, so if the class, she said they changed the date. So I said, "Who's gonna tell me?" Okay, you're the one who's supposed to tell me. So you did not tell me that they changed the date. So how am I supposed to know? Okay, all you told me before that 31 July you have to go to the classes. But that was another thing. That was another thing. Okay, so she did not told me. Nobody told me that they changed the date. So how am I supposed to know? Okay, so I knew that I have to wake up at 9 a.m. and go to that certain place, and I have to attend the classes. But regarding all that, I still came. She said, "Okay, come to the store and all that." And she put the phone when I was talking to her, being disrespectful to me. Okay, like dude, somebody woke up and you're talking to that person like that, and it's not even my fault, it's your fault, and then you're giving me the attitude on the phone. So gulping all that, I came to work. Okay, without saying anything, I was pissed, but I didn't say anything. I punched in and I hopped on the table, started helping and all that. Didn't say anything. So that thing I also reminded her today when she was telling me, that I'm being disrespectful. I told her that yesterday you did the same thing on the phone. Okay, you were disrespectful to me, and I did not say anything to you. Now again, think the same thing. She said, "No, you're the one being disrespectful and all that, showing attitude and all." I said, "I'm the one showing attitude. Okay, if I'm not saying anything to you, that don't mean you're gonna say whatever you want to me. Okay, I've been quiet and calm and collected positive since I'm working here. Okay, never said anything. Unlike other people who walk over you, say whatever they want to you, and quit the job. Okay, unlike other people, never did that. Okay, and it's the first time my anger came out. It didn't even came out all the way. I tried to gulp as much as I could, and other people were like, everyone was shocked that why Pazan is acting like this because they know I never act like this. Okay, and then what happened is she told me to clock out. I can't deal with your behavior and all that. So okay, I'll clock out. Then I'll clock out. I clocked out and I went to the crew room. So I'm going home right now. Okay, like because she told me to clock out. She's not gonna let me do the job. Of course, she want me to clock out. And unless she asks me politely to clock back in, then I'll clock back in. But I don't. I know she's not gonna say that. So I'm gonna go home. It's the same thing. It's like I don't understand job. What kind of life am I living? What is the future? That's why I hate this life. I want to do something. There's don't matter, from crew member to crew trainer to being manager, even becoming a supervisor, all the same shit. They're gonna treat you as a slave unless you don't own the company. You're a slave. Okay, so I'm done with all this thing, man. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. I'm just trying my best to do trading and trying to make money from that. Trying to do YouTube. I don't know. Just I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. I'll go home and see if I want to continue the video. Right, so I'm back home, and it was like really weird day for me because I mean it's never happened to me before, and I've never sent home. Even wherever I work, I've never sent home for any reason, because I never created any scene, or I never like disrespected anyone. I've always been polite and kind and, positive with everyone. But the thing is, so far it's not working. Like, no matter what I'm doing, no matter how much I'm trying to please people, they will always find something, and they're gonna come back at me. So it's just, I don't understand, especially people over here. I don't know if it's like America, or people over here are different, or I, I'm lost basically. I'm basically lost. So the goal is the same. Uh, I'm still gonna do trading as my other videos, and please make sure you guys watch my other videos of trading, so you can understand like what my whole journey is all about. And I don't want to end up doing a 9 to 5 job all my life. As you guys know, I keep repeating in my other videos as well, because I want to be free from this slavery. And it is slavery, as we all know. It's like $15, $16 an hour, and then all the taxes takes away everything from you. You don't get left with anything. You cannot do anything with such kind of jobs. And so that's the reason I want to find a way. I've been trying to find a way. I'm trying to do YouTube, and trying to show you guys like where am I right now, and hopefully in the future I'm at a better place, in better position, hopefully. So trading is one thing I have my hopes in, and I like doing it. I'm enjoying trading. And YouTube is another thing I like doing. It's one of my dream to become a YouTuber since 2009, but I've tried so many times. I had a couple YouTube channels before, all got banned and, removed by YouTube for some reasons. I'm gonna try to be, positive, try to calm myself down, because when you keep all the anger inside, for many, many years, all the life and everything, and you just keep gulping all the anger and let people say whatever they want to you, and you just say, okay, no problem, you know, it all builds up inside, and of course, it's gonna explode one day, and that's the only problem and the only thing that I'm scared of, that's why I want to break free from this job. I want to find something, I want to do something that can make me free, can have my own time and schedule. I can do whatever I want. I can go wherever I want. So it's pretty rough, and I know there's millions of people out there that can relate to me. They've been going through the same thing. But I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose hope in myself. I know I can do it, and I will do it. So I don't know if there's anything else I want to talk about in this video. I've already shared the moment and all the main stuff when I left the job, and I pulled out my phone and recorded what happened over there. So yeah, basically that was it. My journey in McDonald's. I mean, there's of course more to come. I don't know if I'm still gonna do the job, or I'm gonna find another job. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's just too much scrambled for me right now. So I've been a crew member to crew trainer. I'm a manager. Of course, I'm moving up in position in my life, because that's one of my goals. Wherever I'm gonna work, whatever I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move up. Because I know that I'm better than other people who I'm working around with, because I put my all into whatever I'm doing. That's why I'm moving up the levels. In 1 year, I become a manager at McDonald's. I've seen people at my work. They've been there for more than 15 years. They are still crew members. They cannot remember same thing. I have to tell them everything. I have to teach them. People who taught me how to do some stuff, I am doing stuff better than them, and I have to teach them a lot of stuff. So that's just irritates me. Like, I have to babysit adults at my work, so I don't get paid for babysitting adults. Okay, so yes, that's it, and hope you guys like the video. I know a lot of people can relate to my situation as well. If you guys want to share your thoughts, make sure you share it in the comment, and you guys want to point out or anything for me, a question in the comment, let me know. Hopefully I'll see you guys in another video. Probably it's going to be my trading video. That's where I get a bit relaxed and open up what I'm doing in trading. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video.